Welcome everyone to our session on demystifying programming languages and taking your first step into the world of coding. The goal today is to help you understand what programming languages are and how to confidently choose your first one to start your coding journey. In this video, I'll provide a high-level overview of what we'll be covering. We'll dive into the details in the upcoming slides. Let's jump right in and get a better understanding of what programming languages actually are. Programming languages are how we communicate with computers, giving them instructions on what to do. Computers are like super fast, but clueless robots. We need to speak their language to get anything done. Programming languages act as a bridge between human thinking and computer execution. Without programming languages, computers would just have to be expensive paperweights. Some popular programming languages include Python, JavaScript, and Scratch, each with their own unique strengths and use cases. Python is a great beginner-friendly language with clean, readable syntax. It's widely used for data science, automation, and general-purpose programming, often recommended as a first language for new people to coding. JavaScript is the language of the web, powering dynamic and interactive websites. It allows you to create engaging content that users can interact with. Scratch is a visual block-based programming language perfect for kids and absolute beginners. It teaches core programming concepts without the complexity of syntax. C++ and Java are more structured, lower-level languages used in games, enterprise apps, and performance-critical systems. They have a steeper learning curve but offer powerful capabilities. Programming languages range from high-level to low-level. Beginners should start with high-level languages like the one we've covered. The key decision in choosing your first programming language is to pick one that aligns with your goals and interests. If you want to build websites, JavaScript is the language to focus on as it works seamlessly with HTML and CSS. For game development, consider Python with Pygame, see # with Unity, or the visual programming language Scratch. Mobile data app development typically uses Java or Kotlin for Android and Swift for iOS, though the cross-platform Flutter Dart is also an option. For complete beginners, Python and Scratch are great choices with gentle learning curves and supportive communities. The most important thing is to pick the language that matches your personal goals, not just the one everyone else is using. Now I will provide a quick comparison of several popular programming languages: Python, JavaScript, Scratch, and Java or C++. For each language, we will look at the pros, cons, and what they are best suited for. Python is easy to read, has a huge community, and is versatile, but can be slower and has mobile limitations. It's best for beginners, data science, and automation. JavaScript runs in browsers and is widely used, but has a quirky syntax and browser inconsistencies. It's best for web development and interactive sites. Scratch is visual, has no syntax errors, and is fun, but is limited for real-world applications. It's best for kids, absolute beginners, and learning programmers' concepts. Java and C++ are powerful and are performance-oriented, but have a steep learning curve and complex syntax. They are best for games, enterprise apps, and systems programming. Remember, programming is a journey. Your first language is just the beginning. The more you practice, the more languages you'll pick up over time. The core programming concepts transfer between languages, so once you learn one, it becomes much easier to learn others. The best way is to learn by starting with small projects that excite you. Building something real is the most effective way to learn. Get involved in online communities like Stack Overflow, GitHub, and Reddit's Learn Programming. Engage with others, ask questions, and learn from the community. Feel free to comment your coding goals. I'd be happy to provide personalized language recommendations to help you on your journey.